Welcome back with a snow squall warning. This is for Boise, along with Mountain Home, Idaho. We also got Robbie Creek, Barber, Mayfield, Orchard, Owyhee, Mountain Home Air Force Base, and Grandview. We also got parts of Interstates 84 and Highways 20, 30, and I want to say 78. And a couple others. Oh yeah, 21. But yeah. So whiteout conditions. Dangerous travel. 131,357 people affected by this. So with that, just don't be on the road more than you have to. And if you are on the road, just pull over. If you're able to get to a building, do that. And yeah, that's about it. Stay safe out there. See you in the next video. Bye.